Monire Mosa. Tampokelelani. So my name is Lorraine Masia Mponela, and I help people to learn Chitumbuka language on this channel, Chitumbuka na Lorraine. So if you are new, please subscribe to help me grow the channel. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into it. Okay, so in this video, we are looking at numbers counting 1 to 100. Count 1 to 100. Counting is kuverengera. Reading is kuverenga, but counting numbers is kuverengera. So whatever you use to count is called viverengero. So for example, when we are starting school in standard 1, usually we use bottle tops. You know, the covers for bottles of Fanta, Coke, and stuff like that. Yeah. Your parents would have put them on a string, hundreds of them. So we use those as verengero. We use for counting. So can be anything that you are using for counting. That's verengero. Mpambu is parts. I will apply it as I go along, but I wanted to put it out here. Mpambu, parts. So 1, chimoza. We can count also by saying 1, 2, 3, 4 is what I've added in bracket at the end. But we can also count in Chitumbuka itself, like chimoza, 1, vivili, 2, vitatu, 3, vinai, 4, vinkondi, 5, vinkondi na chimoza, 6, vinkondi na vivili, 7, vinkondi na vitatu, 8, vinkondi na vinai, 9, kumi, 10, kumi. So where you use now mpambo, you can use as an alternative or as an option. Vinkondi na mphambu ziwiri. Vinkondi na mphambu zitatu. Or in short, you don't have to use mphambu. You can just say vinkondi na vitatu. Vinkondi na vinai. So vinkondi na vinai, that's 9. You can say 9, 8, 7, 6. You can say that. But if you are in rural, this would make more sense to them. When you are saying vinkondi, they will know you are talking about 5. Vinkondi na chimoza, they will know you are talking about 6. Vinkondi na viwili, 7. Or you can just say slowly. Instead of saying 1, 2, 3, say it 1, 2, 3, follow or follow. Instead of 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, just take it easy, take it slow. The people would understand that. Kumi 10, kumi na chimoza 11, kumi na viwili 12, kumi na vitatu. Here I've just put between 12 and 15. You say the same things as kumi na chimoza 11, kumi na viwili 12, kumi na vitatu 13, kumi na vinai 14, kumi na vinkondi 15, right? So that's why I just put here in short instead of repeating the same thing. So kumi na vinkondi ni 15. Okay, it was too much. I couldn't see the end bit, but yeah, let's get back to it. So I put here how you would pronounce 11, 13, 14, 15. It's not 13. 13, 14, 15. So 14 will be FOTINI. 13 SATINI, right? Like that. Kumi na six. So 16, you can go the long way. Excuse me. But usually it doesn't go all this winded. You can just say kumi, which is 10 na six. So between 16 and 19, you say the same thing. You just change the last number. Kumi na six, 16. Kumi na 7, kumi na 8, kumi na 9, that's 19. 20, vikumi viwili. It's like 10 and 10. Vikumi viwili, 20. Or makumi yawili, which is 20. So you can say vikumi viwili or makumi yawili. It's the same. So between 21 and 25, you say the same thing. Vikumi viwili or makumi gawili na chimoza. Makumi yawili na viwili. Makumi yawili na vitatu. Makumi yawili na vinai. Makumi yawili na vinkondi. Okay? That's up to 25. 26. Makumi yawili na mphambu. 6. So between 26 and 29, you say the same thing. So you can add mphambu like I've added here, right? The one I told you that is parts. Makumi yawili, which is 20. Na mphambu 6, 26. Makumi yawili na mphambu 7, makumi yawili na mphambu 8, makumi yawili na mphambu 9. That's 29. 30 ni makumi ya tatu. In Chitumbuka, sate. So you can say sate or makumi ya tatu. Or vikumi vitatu. 31, makumi ya tatu na chimoza, sate 1. Sate 2, makumi ya tatu, mphambu ziwiri. Makumi ya tatu, mphambu zitatu, 33. Makumi ya tatu, mphambu zinayi, 34. Makumi ya tatu, mphambu zinkondi, 35. Like that to 39. You just repeat these things 1 to 9. So you repeat chimoza, viwiri, vitatu, vinayi, vinkondi, vinkondi na chimoza, vinkondi na viwiri, vinkondi. You know, the way we are adjusting, so you just adjust that way. 40 ni makumi ganayi. So you can predict to say even 50 will be makumi yankonde, makumi sikisi, makumi 7, makumi 8, makumi 9. 100 is now virimika. Or we can still say 100, but it's virimika. So if someone is asking about virimika, it means he's asking in terms of hundreds. Hey, vikatola virimika viringa. It's like how many years. Virimika can also mean years, but at the same time, 100 is also virimika. So it's like someone who is asking in terms of like longer term. My internet is playing up a bit, but I hope it's clear what I'm saying. So 40 makumi yanai. 40 yanai or makumi follow. You can use follow, makumi yankonde, or you can use 5, makumi 5. They know you talk about 650. Makumi sikis or sikisite. 70. Please don't start saying 60 in your own accent. Try and bring it down to very calm, slower, clear, so that you know it makes sense in the language. Don't say 40, 50, no, 50, 40, follow, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so this is it. Let me stop share for now. Okay, so If you have learned something, now you can start counting. Chimoza, viviri, vitatu, vinai, vinkondi. At least count 1 to 5. Huh? So when you meet a Malawian, whether it's at a party or whatever it is, just surprise them by saying, um, do you want chimoza? They'll be like, You're asking them. So you can, like, when you are offering someone, for example, you're carrying um pens you want to offer someone, you can say that. To say mukumba imoza, or even if you just say imoza, they will know you are saying, do you want one? And yeah, they'll just be surprised. So start practicing. It's not language is not just about listening, but both listening and practicing, and then the brain gets it. Okay. So if you learned something, please like the video, but also leave a comment. Was I too fast? Was I too slow? But I just thought that because of the repetition, I shouldn't just be repeating every number really. So yeah. All right. Taonga chomeni. Yeah, yeah. So this one was video number 5. Okay. We are on number 5 of 90. Please be with me every single day from 26th of January until we finish 90 days. I'll be posting a video every single day. So this is part of it. All right. Yeah, Taonga. Taonga Chomen. Be part of the journey. Bye.